While installing a water filter, I moved the water valve from my fridge. Because the fridge is quite old, the tubing from the water valve, which you can see there, started leaking. This is the remainder part down there. What I bought is some new tubing and two connectors. I'm going to connect these connectors and replace the tubing, and I can still keep this one because this is the way it connects to the water valve. Total cost was around $10 for the piece of piping, and I bought it here. This is in South Africa.